Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa, Lisa. Kick back, it's a lifestyle. We at home with Lisa, Lisa. Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa, Lisa. Kick back, it's a lifestyle. We at home with Lisa.
Hello everyone, welcome to At Home with Lisa. Hi guys, so today I am going to be doing a tutorial on this floral tower centerpiece. There were several requests for me to do this video, so here I am bringing it to you guys. So the materials that we're going to be using is we're going to be using, of course, the pool noodle, as you can see, and then we're going to be using these florals, in which I purchased them in bushels, but I did pre-cut them. And also too, we're going to be using this paper towel holder from the Dollar Tree. So everything that you see here today, I did purchase it from the Dollar Tree, actually on a mini getaway. So I decided to drop by a Dollar Tree and go ahead and grab these items and go ahead and create this video for you guys. So if this is your first time here, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm so happy you decided to click on this video, and hopefully you like it enough whereas you would subscribe to the channel. So come on, let's go. Let's get into this video. So first, you guys, we're going to take our Dollar Tree paper towel holder, okay? We're going to place it on a flat surface because it works better. And then we're going to take our pool noodle. Now I went ahead and pre-cut my pool noodle. Also too, I'm showing you down at the end, I did cut a little bit of a slit in there. Now, you can do this one of two ways. You could do the small slit like I did, or you could cut it all the way up and it'll slide down easily, but then you would have to add a pool noodle. You would have to add a zip tie so your pool noodle will not come off of the paper towel holder. So now what I'm doing is I'm going to the top of my paper towel holder and I'm going ahead and I'm trimming the excess off of the pool noodle. So that's what you see me doing here, because I want my pool noodle to be the same height as the top of the paper towel holder. So there you have it. There is the base of our foundation of creating our tower floral centerpiece. Now, the first one that I did use white roses, and then I used black ribbon. So as you can see here, I'm just doing some carnations throughout, and I'm going to be using some orange ribbon with white polka dots. Actually, y'all, that's all they had in the Dollar Tree that I went to. So I just grabbed what they had because I didn't want you guys to wait for this video. I want to go ahead and put it out because who knows, someone who asked me to do this video, maybe they're trying to create some centerpieces for some events or what have you. Now also too, this floral centerpiece tower that I'm creating, you can use it in any event that you may be having. It could be a party, it could be a wedding, an anniversary dinner, anything like that you can utilize this for. And the good thing about it is you don't have to use super glue. And with that being said, you can take your florals off and use this same pool noodle and paper towel holder for another floral floral tower that you may want to use for something else, because you may want to use different colors. So it's easy and it saves you money to be able to do it like this. Now, when I start putting on the second row of the florals, you guys, I do it at an angle and I overlap. When I put my first row in, I overlap the carnations. And the reason why I overlap is so you don't see the pool noodle. There's no space in there where you're going to see that pool noodle. Now, I would have preferred to use a white pool noodle, but that was the closest that I could get as far as the Dollar Tree that I visited on what they had. So I'm going to go ahead and continue to insert my carnations. And again, you guys, I am putting these carnations in at an angle, okay? And I am overlapping them, and I'm overlapping them because I don't want any of the pool noodle to be able to show. Now, another tip for you is that if you want to take off the green leaves from the florals that you're using, you're more than happy to do that. You can do that, but I decided to leave mine on because I wanted some greenery to show throughout my tower here. So I did leave mine on, but that is a tip and that is an option for you if you want to take your greenery off. Another thing is you can go in with more greenery, and you can go in with baby's breath of assorted colors if you want to. So you can do so much with creating this floral tower. You can use any flower that you want, because my first one I used the white roses, and this one I am using carnations. Now I wanted to do the roses, but again, they didn't have them. So I just got what they had in the store to go ahead and put this video out for you guys. So yeah, you guys, I hope you all are enjoying this so far. I hope this is something you'll be able to do at home so you could utilize it in your space for a cute little decor piece here. And yeah, you guys, if you like it, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, too, guys, I would greatly appreciate it if you were to leave me a sweet, loving, and kind comment down below. Now, just a little bit of news for you. I am involved in a collaboration, and it is titled Tablescape Marathon. And we're doing this Tablescape Marathon for the month of June. So what we will be doing is we will be introducing a different themed tablescape every Thursday in the month of June. Now, when I say we, I am speaking of Design with Emma and Lifestyle Design with Teresa. So we are bringing some creative tablescapes to you guys that you can redo yourself or do it just like we did. We just want to be able to share it with you guys to give you some ideas of your own. Now, last Thursday, which would have been June the 4th, the first one came out. So if you guys missed our videos, go back and check them out, because y'all, we had some treats for you guys. And also too, if you're tuning in on those videos, please come into the premieres. Make sure you leave multiple comments in there, because we are doing cash giveaways from each channel. Okay, so go ahead and leave those comments and show up in the premieres, and we will put your name in the hat. But in order for your name to go in the hat, you have to have been in every premiere for this Tablescape Marathon that we are giving you guys. Okay, enough of that, you guys. So we have gone on to adding the ribbon. Now, you can do this a couple of ways. You could either just insert your ribbon in there, or you can take your floral and tie the ribbon around the floral. So either way works. Now, if you are transporting these, I would suggest that you go ahead and tie them versus laying them in there, unless you're going to wrap them tight. And also to remember to fluff your florals. Fluff your florals when you are doing this floral tower here, because the fuller it looks, the better it looks. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and we're going to slide on over into the reveal. This is what we have here. We have a few more finishing touches, and we're hopping over. We're here. We made it. We made it to the reveal. Again, you guys, thank you all so much for tuning in. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you're not subscribed and you like this type of content, go ahead and click on that subscribe button, and don't forget to click on that notification bell. All right, you guys, here is our floral tower centerpiece created with carnations and some orange and white polka dot ribbon. And I didn't add a lot of ribbon on there because it did have the polka dots. So I didn't want to overdo it. So I just kept it simplistic. And then I went on the top and just added these green stems in here. So yeah, you guys, this is what you guys asked for. I hope it was self explanatory. And if it wasn't, all is not lost because you can leave me a message and I will get back with you on whatever it is that you may need to know in creating this piece. This looks really, really good on this table that I used. And yeah, you guys, it was quick and easy. Yes, it was. And it took about maybe about 12 of these floral bunches that I got from the Dollar Tree, and it was probably about 4 or 5 stems on there. So that's why I needed so many. But when you use larger florals, it won't take as much, okay? But all right, you guys, again, I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope you're able to take something away from this video. And yeah, you guys, give your girl a thumbs up if you like it. Also, leave me some sweet, loving, and kind comments down below. And again, if you are new here and you like this type of content, go ahead and click on that subscribe button. We will be so happy to have you over here with At Home with Lisa. All right, you guys, I am going to see you all in the next video. I hope you enjoy. Bye bye, love bugs. See y'all in the next.